Hi guys, so this is my first tutorial video on this channel. In this video I'll teach you the basic things of After Effects. So let's start. First you need to open After Effects. I use After Effects 2024. When you open After Effects, this will be the first window you will see. From here click New Project, and now you can see there's two options, New Composition and New Composition from Footage. To create an edit you need to create new composition, so select. So now you can see there's a new window here. In this window, first set the ratio. I use this ratio for my edit, 1170 and 1560. And next the frame rate, I use 60 for my edit. You can choose whatever you want. And next is the duration. I use 1 minute for my edits. And after setting all this, click OK. And if you don't know about the duration yet, you can just leave it like that or put any value. You can change it later by clicking composition settings, and here you can change the duration and click OK. So now we need to import the audio and video for the edit. To do that, come to this panel and double click, select the video, and same for the audio, select the audio. Now select the video and drag it to this panel. Now we can see the videos here, but you can see the video is not perfectly fit to the composition. To fix that, just right click on the video file, transform, fit to composition height. Now video is fit to the composition. Next we need to find the part that we need to make an intro. So to do that, just double click on the video, find the part that you need to make the intro. For me it's here.
What I'm doing is my family's legacy.
So to make a cut, you need to click on this flower bracket here and come back to the composition by clicking here. Now the video is starting from this area.
What I'm doing is my family's legacy.
And next find the part where the intro ends.
I don't care what happens to me.
For me it's here. To make a cut, just press Ctrl Shift and D on your keyboard and delete the excess part. Now the intro is set.
I have an effect. I don't care what happens to me.
But as you can see, the face is not perfectly centered to the composition. To fix that, select the clip, press P on your keyboard. Now you can see the position adjustment here. This will move the clip left and right, and this will move the clip up and down. And we need to move the clip a little bit left, so drag this. I think this is okay. And now we need to pre-compose this layer. To do that, just select the clip and right click, pre-compose, and make sure you tick this and this one too, and click OK. Next thing you need to do is select the audio, drag it to the timeline, and find the part you want to start the edit. For me it's somewhere here. So to find the part, just double click on the L in your keyboard. Now there's a waveform here. So drag the time indicator there and make a cut by clicking Ctrl Shift and D on your keyboard, and put this where the intro ends. And drag to the starting of your edit. And next you need to find beat for the audio, so you can change the clips by whenever the beat drop coming. So to do that, just right click, keyframe assistant, convert audio to keyframes. And now you can see this new layer open here. Select that layer, press U on your keyboard, and select this both channel slider. Now you can see this, all the keyframe is selected. And now go to graph settings, Now we can see the graph of the audio and drag the time indicator to where the intro ends and zoom in. Now we can see this is where the intro ends. Now we need to mark the beats. So you can see these spikes here. Each spikes are the beats. You can hear and select the beat you want. For me, first beat is here. So to mark the beat, just click on this marker. Now you can see there's a new marker here, and find the next beat. For me it's here. Same thing. Just go here and click the marker, and now you can see the next marker is here, and do this for each beat drops. And after marking all the beats, come back to the composition by clicking the graph. Now we don't need this layer, so delete the layer. So now we need to add clips on every beats. To do that, select the clip and drag it between your intro and the music, and drag it where the intro ends. Okay, same thing, right click, transform, fit to height, and now we need to find the scene for this beat. To do that, the same thing, double click, find the scene. For me it's here, and same thing, cut, and as we done before, cut, come back to composition and drag the time indicator to the next beat. You can cut the clip here by clicking Ctrl+Shift+20. Now the first clip is here, and do the same thing for all the beats. After setting all these scenes, make sure everything is in the center of the composition. If not, just select the clip, press B, center it, and do it for every clips. Now every clip is in the center. So next, pre-compose all the layers separately. After pre-composing layer, select all the clips by holding Shift on your keyboard and disable the audio. Now you're ready to look something like this. But it's not enough, so as you can see, the intro is not audible.
What I'm doing is my family's legacy.
To fix that, select the audio, cut where the intro ends, come to FX and presets panel, search for high low pass, and drag it to this audio file. Change high pass to low pass, cutoff frequency 2000 down to 500, and set, and that's it.
What I'm doing is my family's legacy. I can't change things here.
Now we need to add some promotions and zoom to our clip. To do that, select the clip. Make sure the time indicator is set to the starting of the clip. Search for Twixtor. Twixtor Pro. Drag it to the clip. Now you can see there's so many adjustments here. First, you need to change the none to contrast and enhance. Next, frame interpolation to motion rate blend. Next, wrapping to inverse with smart blend. Next, create a keyframe on speed by clicking the clock near the speed, and drag the time indicator to the center. Just change the speed value of 100 down to 50. Drag the time indicator to the end of the clip and change the speed value back to 100. And next, select the clip, press U on the keyboard, select all the keyframes, press F9, and next select all the keyframes, go to graph editor, change the graph to value graph by right click, edit value graph, and copy my graph. After your graph looks something like this, close the graph editor and type the time indicator to the starting of the clip. Next, you need to put some zooms on your clip. To do that, search for S underscore blur more curves, this one, and drag it to the clip. And here, put a keyframe on the Z distance and drag the time indicator to the end of the clip. Change the value to 0.75 and same, select the clip, press U on the keyboard, select all the keyframes, press F9, go to graph editor and copy my graph. This is for zoom in transition. If you want to zoom out, just swap the keyframes and select all the keyframes, copy my graph. This will do. Close the graph editor and it will look something like this. You need to make this adjustment in all the clips. To do that, select all the keyframes, press Ctrl C on your keyboard and drag the time indicator to the next beat and select the clip, press Ctrl to paste and press U on your keyboard and adjust the keyframe length by holding Alt and that's it. And do the same step for all the clips. After pasting the keyframes to all the clips, just click anywhere outside the timeline and press U, and when you play the video, it will look something like this. Now we need to fade out the audio here. To do that, try the time indicator where the video ends and cut the audio by pressing Ctrl Shift and D and copy the high-low pass effect from the first audio and paste it to the last one and go to project and import your outro, drag it to the timeline where you want the outro starts, try the time indicator where the outro ends, cut the song here and delete the excess part and select the audio, try the time indicator to the start of the audio and here select this arrow and next audio, make a keyframe on audio levels and drag the time indicator to the end of the video and change the audio level to -20. In the same position, press on the time and copy the time by Ctrl C and press OK. Come to composition settings, select the duration and paste the time here and press OK, and this is the final out. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorial videos. I'll teach how to make the text and text effects and text animations in the future videos. So thank you guys.